Hello fellow crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unlock the mysteries of cryptocurrency's world. I'm Steven, your guide through this thrilling journey, and just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. We'll share with you a new project that's called Mazimatic.com. But before we dive into this crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor. The content presented in this video is just for education and entertainment purpose only. So it's not a financial or investment advice. So don't forget to put like in this video and comment, and see you after this intro. So let's go now to the next part of our video, the Mazimatic project. As you see, this is the official page of the website, and we can now go to invest now in Mazimatic token from here. But before that, let's introduce firstly the project. You can also download it for the Android or for the Windows. This is the instructions, and the vision of this project is to provide a never like before real world game experience, as you see in the first video. A virtual world for players to hang out and play to earn comfortably. Foster and high performance VR gaming environment that rewards players generously. A platform that enables you to connect and play with friends anywhere in the world. Create a safe, secure and trustworthy metaverse platform. Use solid and bleeding edge Web3 technology that scales to accommodate millions of users. You can check also this video and see details about this project. In the press, they have talked about this project in CryptoNexa, Forbes, Cointelegraph, and many other press and news. Maziverse from here. The Metaverse project of Mazimatic is the Maziverse. It will facilitate connection and community in the most entertaining manner. Maziverse will be a futuristic gaming platform for users to meet, earn, and play games. Running it on the revolutionary Polygon blockchain helps to keep it decentralized and secure while maintaining very low on-chain transaction fees along this game. The Maziverse goes the extra mile to provide mind-blowing clubbing and social living experience in a spectacular VR AR environment. On the mobile desktop of using virtual realities, our promise is to enable a spectacular roller coaster ride from start to end. The Maziverse is made up of 4 realms: Gameverse, Partyverse, Adventureverse and Influencerverse. Let's go in bottom. As you see here, partners are Saitama, Polygon and other partners. The community, as you see here, is very various and very big community. White paper, you can check it from here. We will check it now, and tokenomics also from here. There is multiple lives about this project in Binance, Telegram. You can check it from here, and this is the team of this project. You can also check it in the bottom of the page. Let's go now to the white paper. As you see, the white paper is very elegant. The content is various and very detailed. So abstract, introduction of the project, we have already talked about this, the vision of the project, what is the problems of this industry, and this game or this environment provide solution. Mazimatic solution also, like live streamed gameverse games, real life experience for gameverse games using VR, NFTs with the utility, why the Polygon blockchain network and not any other blockchain. This white paper is very detailed, gameverse detailed. You can check all the details from here. The link will be in the bio as always. For the roadmap, this is the phases of the roadmap from the phase 1 to the last phase here, the 8th phase. So for the phase 1 was just for initiate idea, core team building, multi-metaverse idea conceptualization, first version of the website, parallel metaverse development. In the last phase, it was launch Influencerverse. It's already done and the project is going very good. Conclusion of this project: Maziverse is the conglomeration of Gameverse, Partyverse, Influenceverse and Adventureverse, all culmination into the entertainment universe, aimed at giving unlimited entertainment to all shades of users. These ideas will be a revolution in blockchain and media inspiration of users. Mazimatic NFTs will be used in all the entertainment verse and give users real life experience of game verse games. Nightlife parties, adventure to desired location, and immense experience with influencers. Users must know that the game verse is live now, and all features released in the verse can be enjoyed. Further details about Partyverse, Influenceverse, and Adventureverse will be released as soon as they are development. So that's it for this video. I hope all was good. I hope also I was helpful. Thank you very much for your watching, and see you in the next video.